The biker, the grave, and the girl who carried a secret. The rain had ended less than an hour ago, leaving Willow Creek Cemetery wrapped in a cold silver glow. Water clung to grass, and the gravel paths shimmered beneath the fading evening sky. Every Friday, Caleb Mercer followed the same routine. At exactly 5:30 p.m., he parked his black motorcycle outside the cemetery gates, shut off the engine, and stepped into the silence. In one hand, he carried a single white rose. In the other, a small American flag that he replaced every month beside his son's grave. 6 years had passed since Daniel Mercer died. People often assume time made grief easier. Caleb knew better. Time didn't erase loss. It simply taught you how to carry it. To strangers, Caleb looked intimidating. His broad shoulders, weathered leather jacket, gray beard, and scarred hands made most people step aside without question. But the moment he walked towards Section C, Row 14, all of that disappeared. There, he wasn't a biker. He wasn't a tough man. He was only a father visiting a son he still missed every day. As Caleb approached the headstone, something unusual caught his attention. Someone was already there. A small figure knelt beside Daniel's grave. At first, Caleb thought it was a visitor who had stopped to read the inscription. Then he noticed the trembling shoulders. The child was crying. She couldn't have been older than 8 years old. Her blue hoodie was too thin for the cold weather, and her sneakers were soaked from the rain. In her hand, she held a folded paper crane that looked worn from being carried for a long time. Caleb stopped several yards away. Nobody ever visited Daniel's grave except him. Yet there she was. The little girl leaned closer to the headstone and whispered softly, "I'm sorry I'm late, Mr. Daniel." The words hit Caleb harder than he expected. Not Daniel, not Mr. Mercer, Mr. Daniel, the way a child speaks about someone who once made them feel safe. The girl suddenly noticed him standing there. Her eyes widened. Instantly, she scrambled backward, clutching the paper crane tightly against her chest. Fear flashed across her face. Caleb slowly raised one hand. "Easy," he said gently. "I'm not going to hurt you." The girl remained silent. For several seconds, neither of them moved. Then Caleb carefully placed a white rose beside the grave and spoke. "The man buried here was my son." The little girl's expression changed instantly. Her eyes shifted from the headstone to Caleb. Then, barely above a whisper, she asked a question that stopped his heart. "Are you Mr. Daniel's dad?"